So today we are actually creating a drawing application in Appla. So let's just start building our app. So go to design section and you are going to add button, that is button number 1, button number 2, button number 3 and button number 4. Now go to button number 1 and right here forward. Then here you have to write backward. Then here you have to write right and right here left. Fine, now give the screen blackish and you can change the background color and text everything as you want. The same you can do here. So we can do now go to code. So what we can do on event, when button 1 is clicked, then we will go to turtle and it will move forward to 25. Let's run it. Forward. Wait. What if I just make the pen color as yellow? Run it now. Forward. Now we can see. But still we are not able to see everything. So what shall we can do just from now? You can go to code and for now let's do it white or like this color. Let's do and run now. Forward. So we can make it as simply color, suppose brown. Reset and run. Now move forward. Now it's fine. And when next button number 2 is clicked, this button number 2 is clicked, then what is going to happen? Then turtle is going to move backward. Now same when button number 3 is clicked, then the turtle is going to move or else it will just turn to a right angle. And when button number 4 is clicked, that is left, the turtle is going to turn towards left. Let's just run our app. So see, forward, left, forward, right, forward, right, forward. So with this, as we do backward, forward. So with this, our drawing application has been successfully created.